Good morning, class. Today I will be starting with a new chapter. Alright, it's adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So we all know that what is an adjective? Adjective is a word to describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun, isn't it? So what is a noun? So noun is a name of a person, place, animal, things. So we know that also because last 2 classes or 3 I think so I had done with nouns and pronoun. So pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. So now we will do what is an adjective. Alright, so adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun, or it in simple word it is adjective is a describing word like beautiful, okay, many, to, all these are adjectives. So there are some examples here, and it is Kolkata is my city. It stands on the left bank of the beautiful river Hooghly. Kolkata has 2 railway stations and there are many monuments in the city. So my, left, beautiful, too, many are adjectives. So we also know there are how many kinds of adjectives? There are 8 kinds of adjectives. So adjectives are of how many kinds? Adjectives are of 8 kinds. Alright? So kinds of adjectives. How many kinds of adjectives are there? There are 8 kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, okay, then adjectives of number, possessive adjective. All right, we are done possessive pronoun also, isn't it, in the last class? So I, myself, herself, all these are possessive. So adjective of quantity, number 4. Quality, quantity is what? Many, more and all, isn't it? So we know demonstrative adjective also. So these, that, those are demonstrative. Okay, and the last one is interrogative. Interrogative, you know that. What does it do? It asks you all questions, isn't it? So these are the 6 kinds of adjectives. Today I will be doing adjectives of quality, quantity, number, and I'll do adjectives of quality, quantity and number. I will explain what is adjectives of quality now. Alright, adjective of quality. Quality is what? It tells you something about quality of a paper, quality of something. Right? So adjectives of quality describe the kind or the quality of a person or a thing. So Modifa is wearing a red dress, or I can write she is wearing a red dress. So which is the quality here? Red. Alright, so this is adjective of quality. So the villagers had to cross a wide river for food and other supplies. So which is the adjective of quality there? Wide. So in the same way, adjectives of quantity tells you how much, right? So adjectives of quantity is how much of something is being referred to. So the weather forecast predicts there will be little rain in the month of August. Adjective of quantity this is, alright? So it tells you about something, how much of something is being referred. So there was enough water for everyone to drink. So what am I talking about? Quantity. Alright, so this is adjective of quantity. I had little rice today, or less rice. Okay, let me write less. It can't be little, isn't it? It has to be less rice today. So I'm talking about quantity. How much did I have? Less. So this is adjective of quantity. So in adjective of number, what does it tell you? It tells you how many a thing is referred to, how many you are talking about. Alright, so Vikash is the 5th student to have complained of stomach ache. So another example, there were many puppies at the dog show. So how many puppies were there? Many. So this is adjective of number. Alright, so in this I have 3 sisters or I have 2 brothers. So those you are talking about number. So in the yellow box it is there, adjectives of number are of 3 kinds. So even adjectives of number has how many kinds? There are 3. Definite numeral adjective states the exact number of people or things. There are of 2 kinds. So in this adjective of number there is cardinal and ordinal number also. Alright. Adjectives of number are how many kinds? There are 2. Alright, cardinal and ordinal number. Okay, so cardinal is what? Tells the number of people or things. For example, 20 days, 15 days, 5 men, 6 men. So these are cardinal. 20, alright, 4. So these are cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells us the order of people or things in series. So 1, first, second, third, fourth, like that. So ordinal is first, second, third, etc. Alright. So cardinal is 24, 4, 20, 24, 25. So these are cardinal. Okay, so in ordinal, it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I stood first in class, she stood third in class, so those are ordinal numbers. So indefinite numeral adjectives do not indicate an exact number. So indefinite numeral adjectives will not tell you how much, or it does not tell about exact number. Few children, many people. So these are examples of indefinite numeral adjectives. So another one is distributive numeral adjectives. Refer to each one of a number. Like every man, each person, each student. So those are distributive numeral adjectives. So the next one is demonstrative adjectives. Last class in the pronouns also I had done demonstrative pronoun, isn't it? So now we have demonstrative adjectives indicate which person or thing is being referred to. Can we donate those blankets to the homeless? So those, right, this, that, these. Okay, so these are demonstrative adjectives, all right, which demonstrate or which tells you. So these are demonstrative adjectives. So a demonstrative adjective will always be followed by a noun. So it will always have a noun. So for example, this is a wonderful piece of news. So that is demonstrative pronoun. So in demonstrative adjective, you have to write this news is great. So that is demonstrative adjective. So similarly, we have possessive adjectives. Like we had possessive pronouns. Alright, so here we have possessive adjectives. Possessive means what? Which you possess. Alright, I left my spectacles at your house. So my, your, his, these are possessive adjectives. His show got the highest rating. So these are possessive adjectives. So the last one is interrogative adjectives. So interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. We know that, isn't it? For example, which film are we watching today? Where are you going tomorrow? Which of these books are yours? So you're asking questions. So those are interrogative adjectives. The receptionist wanted to know whose car was parked at the entrance. Like whose. So these are interrogative adjectives. So children, I'll send you the PDF. So please write down the definition of adjective. It's on page 37. Alright. So adjective is a word used to describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun. Write that and you will write the example, and as well as you'll write the different kinds of adjectives. You don't have to write the one which is there in the yellow box. Alright, you will write adjectives of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive and interrogative adjectives. Please write it down and write along with the examples. So you don't have to do the exercise. I will tell you in the next class. So please go through it once again, and if you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me in my number. Thank you.